Rate it? Hate it.
It's a pretty regular cheese ball.
At least 4 रुपए की पैकेजिंग है.
Shall we move on?
Now we're getting into a territory that I'm not
Comfortable with. Why?
Why do you love why?
Because it's good.
Why?
There's hair. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Lunch Break, and today we're trying Nepali snacks. A friend of ours recently traveled to Nepal and he got a bunch of cool snacks for us, and we're going to be trying them today. So we're starting with the cheese balls. I've been told that Nepalese cheese balls and Indian cheese balls taste completely different, and these are way superior.
It looks very premium for 6 rupees.
I mean,
I wouldn't give more than 6 rupees for it anyway.
it's a pretty regular cheese ball. It doesn't compare to Cheetos at all. For 6 rupees, it's a decent one. I can imagine it because...
Oh, it's not fried. The packaging definitely feels like सारे 6 रुपए इसमें लग गए हैं. At least 4 रुपए की पैकेजिंग है, 2 रुपए का चीज बॉल है. It smells more cheesy than it tastes.
The taste is actually not that strong as the smell. Anyway, I think I would give it a solid 3 out of 5. What do you think?
6 out of 5.
Okay guys, moving on.
Next up, prawn potato cracker.
Oh my god, Muskan, you already opened it?
No.
Okay. You did?
No.
So apparently it's supposed to taste like picnic, but let's give it a try.
I opened it now.
Can you smell it first?
It smells like potato chips.
Oh my god, these are not like potato chips.
What?
Look, this is actually like flattened picnic.
They taste like picnic.
Oh my god, they taste like picnic.
How much are these for? 20 rupees.
Not
for
bad.
them or for us?
For them. Oh my god, you can't stop eating them.
They're so good.
What would you give this?
It's better than the cheese balls.
I think it's a solid 4
Yeah.
out of 5.
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm hungry also. Arey yaar. Now we're getting into a territory that I'm not
Comfortable with.
Yeah.
Do you want to go first? I want to smell this. Oh!
It smells like an achar.
It smells like a chicken achar.
We're eating it without a paratha.
Yeah.
That's
Because
like a
you're tasting it. Muskan.
disgrace.
You're not having a meal. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
And we'll go together. Look at how big of a bite I have. Take a bigger one. Take a bigger piece.
It's enough.
Take a bigger piece.
Enough is enough.
Okay. Cheers.
I think I just had the masala.
Put it in. No, I don't like it.
It's like a chicken died, and then we took out its bones, and then we marinated them.
There's no bones
and we're
in
eating
it.
chicken bones.
I'm enjoying this actually. It's nice. Okay, I would have given it a good solid 4.5. I like the chicken achar thingy. Many corn Timur mix.
It's called many corn because there are many corn
corns
in it.
Wait a minute.
Do you want to give it a sniff? Pepper.
Oh, I'll tell you what this smells like. Do you have all these local
Chivda.
chivda? Haan, chivda.
smells
It
like
smells like
chivda.
chivda. Yeah.
It tastes like chivda.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is yum. It tastes like cornflakes, salted cornflakes.
Yeah.
But it's yum. I love it. I would definitely eat this again.
Yeah.
And I'm giving this a solid 5.
I like it
also.
less than the chips. The
Chips were amazing.
but I like it more than the cheese ball, so it falls somewhere in the middle.
Anyway, we all know and love YY.
They know what YY is. खाते हैं.
No, कोई खाता नहीं है इंडिया में.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Then talk about it.
Yeah. So Quick YY is a very popular variant, and they came out with these pizza flavors which were very popular in Nepal. So we are trying the chicken pizza one.
If this is good.
Is it good? Does it taste like a chicken pizza?
No.
What does it
Tastes
taste?
like bye.
And is it good?
Yeah. Dry as
Cannot
my
taste
humor.
the pizza at all.
Yeah.
It's a basic how a chicken ramen you order. What would you rate this?
It's very good. On a scale of
5.
1 to 10, 5, 4. It's nothing wrong with it. Good bye.
I think for me it's
But you can't really taste the chicken in it or the pizza. What?
2.5.
What?
Because I don't like cooked baba at all. Next we have, these are lapsis. 4 different kinds we have.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Well, my stomach and I are already very upset with life in general. Do they taste different, the colors?
This is a little spicy and the other one is
So we'll
completely
try both.
sweet. Yeah.
We'll try both. Okay. Pick the pink orangish one.
I'm gonna go with this one.
It's like tutti frutti.
It's like those juju candies. Do you want to try the spicy one? I don't want to.
You had the whole thing.
Yeah, I liked it.
This is more flavorful. You have to try this.
It's supposed to be a spicy.
It actually tastes
Can I
like
just have a
something.
bite of
Yeah.
have an entire?
The other one was just sweet, but this one actually tastes like something.
Okay, this has hing
Chili
in
to
it, and I can taste hing, and I hate hing, so this is not me.
Is that why I'm liking it?
Yeah, you're a hingy girl. This looks very different. That was
I
thicker,
agree.
and this is ekdam paper-like.
With lemon, it would taste so good though.
It has a different aftertaste. Like I can feel it in my throat. Next up, we have Rangila Lapsi. It looks like pepperoni.
I don't know my.
Oh my god, it smells like aam papad only. Smell it.
सिर्फ इस जमीन से उठाया है यार ये नहीं खाना है
Be a sport, Muskan. You can do it. Let's cheers. I don't like this one.
You don't like it also
No, you try it for yourself.
हाय ये तो ही अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है
और ये अच्छा लग भी नहीं रहा है खाने में.
I like the पापड़ one.
This is the most familiar one. That's why I
Yeah.
feel like we loved it. Even this is nice.
Yeah, this is also
I would
nice.
have these. I would have these. I would not have these. It's too sweet also. It has sugar crystals on it. I don't want to be munching on raw sugar crystals. So yeah, it's a 0 for me. I would give this one a solid 3.5.
Next we have toshe.
No.
What is it? Punjabi tosha. Toshe हैं ये.
Okay, I'm excited for this because they look like shakarparas, but it's called lakha mari. It has flavor sesame seeds, ghee, sugar, and baking powder.
Flour, sesame seeds, ghee, sugar, and baking powder.
I'm excited for this.
Yeah, same.
Do you want to dink it and sink it?
What? Do you want to what? No, I don't want to do anything with it.
It is shakarpare.
Shakarpare. Yeah. You are?
Ooh, guys, there are tiny sesame seeds inside it. I can't taste it, but it's yum.
Oh, you're good.
This is really good.
Mm.
It's a pretty basic shakarpara and it's yummy.
We give this full, whatever the highest
Full,
is.
full,
I like this the most.
Same.
Yeah.
5 out of 5.
Next up.
Pushtakari here. I've had this before and I love it. I'm excited for Muskan to try this. Oh my god, guys, I love this. I want to see your reaction.
It's like toffee.
It's like an extremely chewy peda.
Exactly that. An extremely chewy peda.
I love this.
Yeah, it's
It's not a 5 yet because it's too hard. 4.75.
3 for me. It's good. It's very chewy. So these are white rabbits. ये wrapper है या फिर ये?
You don't remove that, it's edible.
Oh. It's like Milky Bar chew, but chew.
It's nice. I would give this a 3 out of 5. Shall we move on? Now we have something that both of us are really scared to try. It's churpi, and churpi is apparently made from yak milk. Oh my god, I don't like this at all.
It looks like,
Guys, there's hair on it. I don't
what?
like.
Is it yak hair?
No.
Where is the hair?
Bro, can't you see these little hair coming
Bro,
out?
yaar, chhi
What is
Ashi.
this? Okay, I'll try to find one without hair, and I think I found one.
यार आशी
It smells like nothing.
अरे हाय ये तो नहीं बाइट हो रहा है ब्रो.
Is this even food? It's plastic. It's like I have a piece of plastic in my mouth. It doesn't taste of anything. Put it.
I did.
No, she's just holding it with her jaw.
It is not edible.
It's not
is
edible.
a dog treat. This is what they expected me to put in my mouth, guys. Disgusting.
How much would you rate it?
Rate it? Hate it.
So guys, that was it.
That was the wrap.
It was a good experience trying
Yup.
something new.
Yep.
There are a few things I would definitely eat again. Those
Like,
Timur that Muskan has conveniently kept under the table. So yeah, tell us what else you would like us to try next. If we've missed out on any Nepali snacks that we should definitely would have tried. Like, share and subscribe and tell us in the comments below what we should try next. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!